Hello, my dear students. Today, let us discuss how to estimate a septic tank for 25 users. Okay, estimation of septic tank we will discuss today. So, what is a septic tank? A septic tank is an underground chamber made up of concrete through which domestic wastewater flows for the basic treatment. So, this domestic wastewater may be the waste which comes from the toilet waste. Okay, the toilet waste. So, for the basic treatment, the septic tank is constructed. Okay, here we will see how to estimate septic tank. So we have an example. So prepare a detailed estimate of a septic tank with soak pit for 25 users from the given drawing. In examination, a septic tank without soak pit can also be asked. Okay, septic tank, the specification are as below. Septic tank shall be of first class brickwork in 1:4 cement mortar, the foundation, and floor shall be of 1:3:6 cement concrete. So brickwork classification they have given, that is it should be 1:4, and floor shall be of the cement concrete in the ratio 1:3:6. So inside of the septic tank shall be finished with 12 cement plaster inside of the septic tank. Okay, it is finished with 12 cement plaster, and floor shall be finished with 20 cement plaster with 1:3 mortar mixed with standard waterproofing compound. Fine. Inside of septic tank, 12 cement plaster is used, and for the floor 20 cement plaster with 1:3 mortar mixed with some of the waterproofing agent we have to use. Upper and lower portion of the soak pit shall be of second class brickwork. Upper and lower portion of the soak pit. Okay, we will see this second class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar, and middle portion shall be of dry brickwork. Roof covering slabs and baffle wall shall be precast RCC. Okay, they are already casted. The length of the connecting pipe from latrine seat. So here the length of the connecting pipe from latrine seat may be taken as 3 meters. Assume suitable rates. So first we shall discuss about the drawing which they have given. So this is the septic tank. Okay, septic tank is given. So it is a rectangular septic tank with the soak pit is circular rectangular. So this is the plan. So these are the plans. So this is the elevation. So soak pit is circular. Fine, soak pit is there. So see here. So as this is the rectangular plan, so we have for the brickwork I'm telling. So we have long wall, two long walls and two short walls. And what they have given, this is the foundation. They are given no cement concrete CC bed. It is 1:3:6. Okay, it has a slope 1 in 20. See a slope. Because of this slope, here some variation will be there. I will tell you while solving the problem. Okay, so baffle wall is there. So this is the precast slab precast. So this is the wall of 30 centimeter thickness. This is the wall of 20 centimeter thickness. So this is the outlet, this is the inlet from where the latrine waste flows in, and here it goes outlet. It is the outlet of the septic tank. From this outlet it goes to the soak pit. Fine, it goes to the soak pit. So soak pit, as you see here, there is a brick aggregate in the foundation. Fine. Then 20 wall is there, and 15 centimeter coarse sand, outer coarse sand you can see here. Then here in the plan you can see correctly. So the full diameter will be 100 plus 20 plus 15 plus 15. Okay, so this is 15 centimeter brick aggregate, 15 centimeter coarse sand. This is the coarse sand, outer coarse sand, and inside it is brick aggregate. So this is the brick aggregate. And what we can see, and we have pipes also, SW pipe. And So SW pipe 300 centimeter long. Okay, then we have iron footsteps, then we have a T here. Okay, we have a bend, also one bend pipe. So CI cowl, and we have ventilating pipe. So with these details we will go for estimation. So this is the ground level, so it is constructed below the ground. Okay, now we shall go for estimating. So what we are getting here, before, earthwork will be there because it is underground, earthwork will be there. Okay, then foundations are cement concrete, fine. Then first class brickwork for this one, for the septic tank, rectangular one. And for the soak pit we have second class brickwork as mentioned by them in the question, fine. Then after the brickwork, what we are seeing here, this is the RCC slab for both soak pit and septic tank. Then after the slab, what we have to do, we have to plaster 12 cement plaster for this wall, and for the floor 20 here you see 12 cement plaster for the walls and 20 cement plaster for the floor. Okay, amele, sorry, then coarse sand is the outer sand, then 50 size aggregate here, see, outer side of the soak pit at the bottom of the soak pit, fine. Then what we can see, baffle wall we can see. Okay, so these are the items for which we have to estimate. And we also have the pipe, this T pipe, this bend pipe, then ventilation pipe, CI cowl. Okay, so with these details we will go for the problem. So now let us do the problem. As we all know, we use details of measurement form for calculating the quantity, and after finding the quantity we will use abstract of cost form to determine the cost. Okay, so first item of work is earthwork. So earthwork in excavation. So earthwork for septic tank also be done, and for the soak pit, for both we have to do. Okay, so first item is earthwork in excavation, in which septic tank will be first one. So number is 1. Okay, then we have to find the length. Here, how we should find the length? So see the plan of the septic tank. So 200 is given. So 200 plus this 20, this 20. So 200 is the clear distance, plus 200 plus 40. Then this is also 20 plus 40. Or see here, 200 plus this full is 40. See here given the distance here is 40. Okay, therefore plus 200 so plus 40. What we will get, 200 plus 40 plus 40, we will get 280. We will get 280. This one is the quantity. So 280 is the length. Okay, and what about 280 is the length? Then breadth. How to calculate breadth? Same, see the plan. Okay, after seeing the plan, 90. Here you see the plan is 90. This is 90 plus 40. Okay, 90 plus 40 plus 40. We will get the breadth, that is 1.70. 90 plus 40, 130 plus 40, 170. We are getting 170 also. Okay, 280 we got, 170 we got. Then height. How to calculate this height? So come here, see here, below the slab, we can get here 30. Okay, from the slab to the floor it is 140. 30 plus 140, 170. So 170 plus this floor is how much? 20. So 30 plus 140 plus 20. Then as it is having the slope, what we have to take? Here you have to 0. Here that it is 10. Okay. So 0 plus 10 divided by 2, we are getting 5. Okay. See once again. So here you see it is 10. Okay, the height is 10. So here it is 0. So 0 plus 10 by 2 is 5. So 140 plus 30 plus 20 plus 5, we will get around 195. So when we multiply this, we will get 9.28 as the quantity. It was for the septic tank excavation. Now we will go to the soak pit. So see here, soak pit. As soak pit is in circular shape, what we have to do to find the quantity? We have to find area, that area into the height or depth. We will give it will give us, it will fetch us the quantity. So what is the area of the circle? Pi d square by 4. So soak pit up to 3 meter. Up to 3 meter means 250 plus 50. This 150. This is 250. So 250 plus 50 is 3 meter. Okay. Then how to find the diameter d? See here, 100 centimeter is given. So 100 plus 20. Okay. So 20 plus here 15 plus 15, 30. So here 30, here 30. So 100 plus 20 plus 20, 140, then 30 plus 30. You will get 200 centimeter. Fine. 200 centimeter. So when we write, it will become meter. So from here to here, 100 plus 50, 100 plus 50, 50, 2. So pi d square by 4 area into height. How much is the height? How much is the height for this? It is 50 plus 50 is 300. So 300, we will get a quantity as 9.42. Now soak pit below portion, lower portion. Okay. For the lower portion, so 100 plus here 20, here 20. 100 plus, see here, this 120, this 120 plus 40. What it will become? 1.4. 140 is nothing but centimeter is 1.4 meter. So pi d square by 4. How much is the height of this? 20 centimeter given. So 0.2. We will get the 0.3 for dry brickwork. So if we add it, we will get the total quantity for earthwork excavation, that is 19 cubic meter. So earthwork is over. Now what we have to do after the earthwork? We have to lay the foundation bed or concrete bed. For that concrete bed, specification is given in the question, that is 1:3:6. So floor and foundation. So floor and foundation. So floor. So 1. Okay. What will be the length? 2.8 is the same as our excavation. Earthwork excavation 2.80. This is the length 2.80. Then what is the breadth? Same 1.70. Then height, see here, height 0.20 given. Okay, if you multiply we will get 0.95. Then now as it is sloping, you have to create what? Sloping floor. So we have to calculate that also. See here. So sloping floor. So sloping floor starts only in the inner dimension, that is 200. Okay, sloping for the only at the inner dimension we have to do the sloping. So we have 200 into 0.90. So length, breadth. Okay, then height we have to take the average. 0 plus 10. 10 how means here it is given. Okay, height is given as 10. So 0 plus 10 by 2, it will be 5 centimeter. See here given calculation. So 0.05. When you multiply it, we will get 0.09. The total quantity of the cement concrete with the sloping floor will be 1.04 cubic meters. So we calculated earthwork, then foundation concrete is over, CC bed. After the sloping floor is over, then what we have to construct? We have to construct the walls. So for walls, the specification given for the rectangular background is rectangular septic tank is what? First class brick working 1:4 cement concrete. So now we have to find in long wall and short wall method. So long walls, we have two long walls. This is one long wall, this is one long wall. Okay, so see here we have to take this distance. So we know that inner dimension is 200. So wall thickness is 30, they have given here. Okay, plus 30, both side 30 30, we will get 2.60. So what are the length we are taking? This length is the center to center length. Okay, as we did in the building. So 2 plus 0.3 plus 0.3, it is 2.60. Okay, then length we calculated. Then what we want? Breadth. So breadth is 0.30, so 0.3. Then height what they have given is 60. Okay, 0.6. When we multiply all, we will get 0.94. Similarly, for second steps, what we have to do? This is 200 plus 20 plus 20. 200 plus 20 plus 20 is 40. So 2.40. What is the breadth of the wall? It is 20. So 0.20. Okay, see a 0.20. Now for the height, which height you will take? As you have the sloping floor. Okay, 30 plus 140. How much we will get? 30 plus 140 plus 5 for the height. See here, 30 plus 140 plus 5. This quantity is minus 60. So 30 plus 140 plus here the average is 5 centimeter. So 30 plus 140 plus 5 minus this item. if we subtract 60 centimeter, we will get the required distance for the second step of wall. Okay, so what will be? It is 115 centimeter. So we will get 115 centimeter. So 2.40, 0.20, 1.15. If we multiply it, we will get 1.10. Now long walls are finished. Then short walls. So in this direction we finish the wall. Now short walls is 90.90 is the length. So same, the breadth will be same 0.30. Next, for the first step short wall, it is 60.60. So if you multiply, we get 0.32. For the second step of long wall, 0.90. The breadth of the wall is 0.20. Now what we calculated, 140 plus 30 plus 5 minus 60 will get 115 centimeter. We get 0.42. So the total brickwork, first class, that too first class brickwork in 1:4 mortar, total quantity will be 2.78 cubic meter. So as we started brickwork, so we will also find the brickwork for this soak pit. So in this soak pit, you can see here we have, in the specification they are given that the middle portion will be of dry brickwork. Okay, that's why first we will calculate the upper and lower brickwork. So upper brickwork, upper portion. So as it is circular, we have to take what? Center to center distance of circumference. So mean circumference we have to take. So how to calculate that mean circumference? This 100 plus this is 20, this side 20. So 20 by 2 plus 20 by 2. Okay. Here also in the long walls, what we have did, 200 plus 30 plus 30. Okay. Here you see 100 plus this side 20, this side 20. We are doing, so we are getting 1.20 as the distance of that, means diameter. Okay, see here upper portion 1 pi into this is the 100, inner diameter 100, 100 plus 20 plus 20, 1.40. But second class brickwork is there, no? What we do, 100. So for this second class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar in soak pit, we will calculate differently. Okay, as we started the brickwork, we will also finish the second class brickwork for the soak pit. Okay, in soak pit we can see the shading portion here. So this is brickwork, this is brickwork. Okay, now for the upper portion 1 pi into, so we have to take the center to center distance, that is 100 plus 20 by 2, 20 by 2 plus 20 by 2. So 100 plus 10 plus 10, we will get the mean circumference. So pi into 1.20 will get the circumference, then into breadth. What is the breadth of this wall? It is 20 centimeters. So 0.2 into height. What is the height? 50. So 0.50 will get 0.38. Similarly for the lower portion, so L into 1.20, pi into 1.20, it is same. So it's have the same breadth 0.20 and height is 0.20. So it is 0.15. So for the total brickwork will be 0.53 cubic meter for the second class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar. Okay. Now there is a what's about now we shall consider the dry brickwork portion. So the length will be same, that is pi into 1.20 into breadth is or thickness is 0.20 only. Okay. And how much it is extended? Height 2.50. See here 2.50. So when we multiply this we will get 1.88 cubic meter for second class dry brickwork in soak pit. So we did excavation, then CC bed, concrete, cement, concrete work, then brickwork for both septic and soak pit. After the brickwork, what we have to place? We have to place what? This RCC slab, which is given us in the precast form. So for this septic tank different, for this soak pit different. See here. So first we will consider the roof slab for the precast roof slab for septic tank. See, this is the dimension is 200 we know. Okay, 200 plus at where it is extended here 20, here 20. So 200 plus 20 plus 20, we are getting 2.40 as the length for the RCC precast work. Now into 130 centimeter. That's how this is for the one side length. Now breadth, how much it will be? Breadth of the precast 90 plus 20 plus 20. See here 90. This is the in this side. Okay, 90 plus this wall will be there 20 centimeter wall. Okay, please imagine. So 90 plus 20 plus 20. So how will get this 130? 90 in the short wall direction, means short wall dimension, plus wall is it resting on the 20 centimeter wall. So 20, we will get 90 plus 10 is 110 plus 20 130 centimeter. So 240 into 1.30 into they are given 75 centimeter RCC slab precast. So 0.075, if we multiply it we will get 0.3534 as the quantity. So this was the calculation for the precast of septic tank. Now for the soak pit, see here same. For the soak pit, as it is circular, you have to calculate area into depth or height to get the quantity. So for this area we want what? Diameter. So this diameter we know 100 plus 20 plus 20, what it will be? 140. So area how to find out? Pi into 1.40 whole square divided by 4. Okay, into the thickness of the slab 75 centimeter. If you multiply we will get 0.115 cubic meter as quantity. Then slab precast was over. Then after the estimation of the slab, then what is remaining? We are seeing here baffle wall. Okay, so baffle wall is length is here, length can be seen in the shorter direction of the septic tank in the top view of the septic tank. See here 90. Okay, so for its fixation some bearing is required, that is 90 plus 5 plus 5. Here 5 centimeter insertion, here 5 centimeter insertion. It will become 100 centimeter. Okay, so the length is 100 centimeter. Whatever the breadth they are given as 4 centimeter. Here 4 centimeter breadth. Okay, then height is given in the elevations here 15 plus 30, 15 plus 45, so 0.45. If you multiply it, 0.018. So all will come in the precast RCC work. Okay, now multiply these three, we will get the total precast RCC work, that is 0.367 cubic meters. So which all the quantity we have solved till now: earthwork, cement concrete, then brickwork, after brickwork RCC, precast RCC work with Baffle Wall. Then what is remaining? See the figure. The cement plastering is remaining for the wall, and cement plastering is remaining for the floor. Then in the soak pit, here cement brickwork, 50 size brickwork is remaining, and coarse sand is remaining. Then what is remaining? Iron footsteps, then SW pipe outlet. We'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.